video guide, I will give you instructions to get rid of these suspicious pop-ups by the page Newkino.pro. This is the resource that tries to deceive you with misleading messages. It tells you to press allow to watch the video. And indeed, it might look as some YouTube video file, but the problem is that this is a trick. There is no any video behind it. If you mistakenly click on the allow button, there is a problem with your browser that will start taking place. So the browser will start forwarding you to many junk pages in the internet, and by the way, while these pop-ups are still active, they may switch the browser into the full screen mode. You may simply press the escape button, but this doesn't actually fix the problem. Ads by this website may keep popping up. So now we need to fix the issue. Go to the menu, click on Settings, Site Settings, and now in the Permissions select Notifications and check the Allow area carefully. You need to find this suspicious site, Newkino.pro, and remove it from this list. I would also recommend double-checking your Mac with a Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. The program looks like this. Click on Start Combo Scan and the program will start scanning your Mac. It is not a free software. Initially it is in the trial mode. However, let me assure you that there are some absolutely free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files and Duplicates. You may enjoy these features absolutely for free, and they will speed up the functionality of your Mac and its performance. So when you start the scanning, the program will perform free analysis, and it will give you the detailed report at the end of scan. When you are in the antivirus, you will see what exact threats were found so far. And once again, at the end of scanning, you will see the complete report about your Mac. There are some other very useful features such as privacy scanner and uninstaller, but they are the part of the premium license, as I have said above. Now we may wait until the scanning is completed, and then the detailed report will be given about our computer. The scanning itself may last a while, so you may need about 10 or 15 minutes depending on your Mac computer and depending on the current load on your Mac. But let me assure you that Combo Cleaner will work well in detecting the malware, adware, browser hijackers and other hidden threats in your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs free scanning of your Mac computer. At the end of scan, it gives the detailed report about the current threats found during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This will show you the exact location of each specific threat, how to remove each threat manually, and for free. You may click on this icon that means Show in Finder, and you may click on it, and this will show you its direct location in Finder. You may right-click on the adware and move it to the trash. You may do the same thing with all other detected items. Click on this icon and move the detected threat to the trash. Of course, you may consider purchasing the premium version, which will perform the removal automatically. Thanks for watching.